Hello, this short video will show you how to access Lexus and Westlaw. First of all, you need to go to the Cumbria homepage, which is www.cumbria.ac.uk. You then need to click on Current Students, and then under the Libraries and Learning you will find a number of different links to the different resources that we have available for you to use. So to find Lexus and Westlaw, you're going to click on e-resources. And then you can use the alphabetical list to find the two databases. First of all, we're going to look at Lexus Library, and then click on Off-Campus Access. When prompted, type in your UOC login. And you will be signed up to the Lexus Library service. Once you're into the website, you can see there's a number of different options to find information. First of all, you could use the quick find box to find a specific piece of information. It might be a piece of legislation, or you might want to search for a particular case, or you might want to look for a journal article, or even perhaps discover the meaning of a legal term. Or you might want to see what information there is across all the types of material, and you can do that using the Explore box up at the top right hand side of the screen. You may in addition want to drill down through some of the different types of material using the tabs across here, and that just gives you a little bit more control over how you can search, and also gives you the opportunity to browse through some of the sources that are available. So for instance, the journals. If you click onto here, you can then click onto Browse, and it will tell you the names of the journals that are available as full text journals. These are all ones where you've got the full text of the articles within the journals available to you through Lexus. To return to the home page of Lexus at any time, just click on Lexus Library. Other tabs you've got here are practice areas, where you can actually drill down through the different types of information. There's also the sources tab, where you can see what particular sources we have on a particular subject. And lastly, if you want to sign into the Lexus PSL service, you can do that by hovering on this down arrow and choosing the Lexus PSL link. So that's Lexus Library. If we just open another tab and go back to Current Students, we can now have a look at Westlaw very quickly. So again, clicking on e-resources, click on Westlaw and off-campus access, and unless you've already signed in, it will prompt you to sign in again. In this case, because we've already been logged in to look at Lexus, it's taking us straight back in to Westlaw. There is a similar arrangement on Westlaw. Again, you've got a quick find box predominantly on the front of the screen, where you can choose to search across all the types of material, or you can untick the boxes to search for particular areas. You can also, if you wish, use the tab keys across the top to drill down into the specific types of material in more detail. So for instance, if we look at journals again and click on full text articles, you get a list of all the journals that we have available to us through Westlaw that are available in full text. Clicking on Westlaw image again takes us back to the home page. You can also perhaps start your research by looking into the Insights encyclopedia, or even look at the list of legal terms through this search or link here. Lastly, just to show you on Westlaw, under Services, there is a number of other databases that you can look at. In particular, there's one here, Westlaw International, which will give you a lot of material about the US jurisdiction, and some others as well. So that's just a very brief look at how to access the databases. the key now would be to have a look at some of the training material from the links on the tutorial slides.